Tired of dealing with annoying flies, fruit flies, and gnats in your home? The Zevo Flying Insect Trap is your ultimate solution. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description now to get your Zevo Flying Insect Trap on Amazon and enjoy a bug-free home today.
Katie Price has revealed she's returning to the UK and will be arrested at the airport, after skipping court for a £10,000 facelift in Turkey. The ex-glamour model, 46, has begged for her son Harvey's protection. In a statement she wrote, "Would just like to thank everyone that has been showing support and compassion to my situation this week with my pending arrest. Despite what has been misreported, I am now en route back from filming my documentary. I was never just abroad being ignorant to what's going on, and I stand by the facts, which is that there has been miscommunications here between a number of people here to do with my bankruptcy. However, now I am returning home from work. I am aware that I am about to be detained at the airport, which is obviously what the courts feel is necessary. I do hope, of course, for my son's sake who is with me, that they will allow some dignity and protection for at least his sake, as this will be extremely disturbing for him to see. Whilst I understand the importance and severity of the matter, I do feel like I am being treated like a criminal. I would like to point out once again that this is to do with a very unfortunate financial circumstance, which, as hard as it has been, does not make a criminal or a bad person. Millions of people suffer losses and go through bankruptcies, through many different reasons, and mine was due to serious mental health issues and breakdowns from PTSD. Whilst it's been hard, I repeatedly will stand by the fact I am not embarrassed or ashamed that this has happened to me. People lose their lives every day over the embarrassment and fear of these situations, and the public bullying LVE endured on this matter is simply just not okay. I will continue to speak out on this and not be ashamed. I have and am continuing to pay back debtors as ordered by the court. I will address this with the police and courts when I land, and I ask for my son Harvey's sake it's handled with care and compassion. I am after all only a human being. I appreciate all of you that continue to show me love. It means a lot." Katie was due to appear in front of a judge last Tuesday morning as part of her £760,000 bankruptcy fight, but failed to turn up. Instead, she jetted on holiday to a £133 a night 5-star resort with her MAFS star boyfriend JJ Slater, 31, for her 6th facelift. Katie was ordered by the courts to stump up a whopping £25,000 immediately after being declared bankrupt twice. Judge Catherine Burton said Katie has so far failed to make the payments ordered by the court. She was previously ordered to make a one-off payment of £25,000, followed by monthly installments of £12,500. Judge Burton said, "They have not received any funds or explanation." She agreed to pay it and did not. She remains immediately obliged to pay £25,000. Katie was told to give up her huge car collection in an attempt to lessen some of her debts. On Katie's drive currently sits a Volkswagen Beetle, a Nissan Elgrand, a black Range Rover Vogue, a pink one, a Suzuki Vitara, and an Infiniti FX50, amounting to a whopping £280,000. Meanwhile, we told how Katie jetted off to Turkey with her boyfriend and pal Lou Anderson to get more work done. She underwent £10,000 worth of surgery on her eyes and under her chin in Istanbul after her usual surgeon refused to carry out the work for her. While she seems to be at rock bottom with her finances, Katie has a surprise plan up her sleeve. In her latest autobiography, "This Is Me," she wrote, "Bankruptcy doesn't hold the same fear now. I can see a way out of it. If material stuff is taken from me, I know I can earn it back. I will get into escorting if I need to, not to sleep with the men, just for company. To be on their arm. I think I'd be good at that. My mom would tell me I need to work on my table manners first though. And by the way, that is a joke. This is not Katie's first run-in with the law." Here we break down the former glamour model's past court appearances. 2010. Katie was issued a 6-month driving ban for speeding and using her phone while driving. 2015. The star received a £1,220 fine for jumping a red light. 2018. She was slapped with a 6-month driving ban in February 2018. Katie was in jail for 13 hours for being found asleep behind the wheel of her car. 2019. A year later the star was issued with her 3rd driving